Hello everyone and welcome. If you're tired of PICTORY's AI's limitation, or you're wondering there's a better way to create stunning videos without the hassle of PICTORY, you're not alone. Video creation doesn't have to be a headache. So this video was made specially for you. Let's get started. Now we're going to be looking at several alternatives to PICTORY because video creation doesn't have to be a headache. So imagine you can effortlessly transform script into engaging videos complete with visuals, voiceovers, and music. And you can do all this without breaking the bank or needing a film degree. So let's get started. The first one I'm looking at is InVideo. Now InVideo is your all-in-one video creation powerhouse. It's like having a personal video production team minus the hefty price tag. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, InVideo has got you covered. We give it a 9 out of 10 because InVideo is a game changer for video creation. It's easy to use, packed with features, and will not break the bank. The only reason it doesn't get a perfect 10 is that some of the advanced features have a bit of a learning curve. Benefits are ease of use. It's a thing of drag and drop. Then AI capabilities, it has intelligent editing that saves you time. Templates and customization, over 5,000 templates to make your video pop, and it has 24/7 support team ready to help you. As for the pricing, you can see the pricing here. We have the free plan, we have the plus plan, and we have the max plan. We also have the innovative plan. So that's it for the plan. Now for the cons, the free plan has limitations and the advanced feature may take some time for you to master. Apart from that, it's a very great alternative. Next on our list is vid.io. Now, this is vid.io. Very nice. Anyway, let's continue. It is like the sweet army knife of online video editing. It is packed with tools and features that make video creation a breeze. Whether you want to trim, add subtitles, or even generate automatic transcripts, Vid has got you covered. We give it an 8.5 out of 10. Even though because it's a very powerful and versatile video editor. It's great for beginners and experienced editors too. The free plan is a good starting point, but you need to upgrade to unlock the full potential of Vid. Key benefits are ease of use because of its user-friendly interface with a drag and drop functionality. It also has automatic transcription and subtitles in multiple languages. It has a good selection of templates and customization options, and helpful resources and a responsive support team. Now the pricing are the free plan. When it comes to pricing, we have the free plan, which is limited features and it also has a watermark. The basic plan we pay $10 per month, the pro plan $30 per month, business plan $70 per month, and enterprise where you have to contact the customer care for pricing. Okay, for the sales team, you have to contact the sales team for pricing and details. Now the cons are the usual. Some advanced features requires a paid plan, and the free plan is quite limited. The usual cons. Let's look at the next one, which is Descript. So on our list is Descript. Now Descript is a unique tool that combines video editing with audio and transcription features. It is perfect for podcasters, YouTubers, and anyone who wants to edit video like they would a document. That's right, if you can edit text, you can make videos using Descript. We give it 8 out of 10. So it's a revolutionary tool for those who want to edit videos through their transcripts. Its audio and transcription features are top notch, but it might not be the best choice for those who are looking for a traditional video editor. The benefits are edit videos by editing the transcripts, like we said, AI capabilities, and also templates and customization. It has limited templates but plenty of customization options. An extensive documentation and helpful support team. For the pricing, you can see we have the free one, we have the creator plan. For the hobbyist, we have the hobbyist plan before the creator plan, and so we also have the pro plan, the business plan, and the rest of them you have to contact. And the price are written right there. You've seen the prices already. So choose the best plan for you. Now, for the cons, it can be overwhelming for beginners and limited video templates. These are the only cons I could find with them. With the script. So let's look at the next one, which is Lumen 5. Now, Lumen 5 is super easy to use video editor, video creator actually, that turns blog posts and articles into engaging videos. It is perfect for marketers, bloggers, and anyone who wants to propose their content into videos. We give it a 7.5 out of 10 because Lumen is a fantastic tool for those who want to turn their written content into video quickly, but it is not the most powerful video editor, but it's incredibly user-friendly and affordable. So, key benefits, like we said, user-friendly, mostly just use a simple drag and drop interface, and then it automatically generates videos from your content. It has wide variety of templates and customization options, and helpful resource and responsive support team. So for the pricing, we have the free plan, which has the basic features and the main mode. Free plan, which has the basic features and the main 5 watermark. Then we have the basic plan. This is the basic plan. This is the starter plan. This is the professional plan. And this is the enterprise, where you contact customer sales team for more information. You have the community, which is the one I call the free plan. It's called the community plan here. It's as simple as that. Now for the con, the free plan has a watermark, permission area, and it has limited video editing capabilities. So next on our list is CapCut. Now CapCut is a mobile video editing app. It also has the PC version like this one you can see. And it's packed with features and effects. It's perfect for creating short, engaging videos for social media platforms like TikTok, Instagram, you name it. We give it a 7 out of 10 because it's a fun and free way to create engaging videos on your phone and your PC. It's perfect for casual creators and social media enthusiasts, but it might not be the best choice for professional video production. The good benefits are ease of use, AI capabilities, template and customization, wide variety of templates, filters and effects. It also has captions and background removal. Then it has online forums and resources for customer support. For the pricing, it's free. You can access all of CapCut features for free, but you may need to make some in-app purchases for additional effects and features. The really con is that it's not as powerful as other desktop video editors, and that's it. That's the only con I could see with it. And next we have all this in Runway. Now Runway, for whatever reason, is now allowing us to access it as Runway. But I'll tell you about Runway. So Runway is an AI-powered video editing platform that pushes the boundaries of creativity. It offers so many tools that can generate unique visuals, remove objects from videos, and even create realistic deepfakes. Now, I give it a 6.5. Yeah, 6.5 out of 10. Because it is another tool for those who want to search for the creative potential of AI in video editing, but it's not the most practical tool for everyday editing. But it's a playground for experimentation and artistic expression. Key benefits: ease of use, AI capability, because it has cutting-edge AI features like in-painting, object removal, and style transfer. But it has limited templates, but plenty of creative possibilities with AI tools, online forums, and processes for customer support or help. Now, when it comes to pricing, we have the basic plan, the standard plan, the pro plan, unlimited plan, and enterprise plan. So, basic plan free with watermarks, standard plan $15 per month. You remove the watermarks and other features that are available. The $5 per month for the pro plan with unlimited projects and advanced features. Then we have the limited plan where you pay $95 per month. And then lastly, we have enterprise plan where you have to contact pricing. The only con is that it can be expensive for some users, and some features might be overkill for simple editing tasks. Last on our list is VideoLip. Now, VideoLip is also a mobile. Yes, it can be used on mobile and can also be used on PC. It's designed for social media creators. It offers a range of tools and effects to create eye-catching videos that stand out on platforms like Instagram and TikTok. You can see the AI Infinity Zoom feature. Really, really good. And then just so many. You have access to the latest AI tools, so many things. So we give it a 6 out of 10 because it's a fun, accessible mobile video editor with lots of creative potential, but it lacks some advanced features found in other apps. But it's a good option for quickly creating eye-catching videos on the go. You can see what just happened there. You can see. Very nice. So you can also remove objects from video with AI. So this is for the features there. Anyway, so for the pricing, it has the monthly plan and yearly plan is not free. The monthly plan is $9.99 per month and the yearly plan is $69.99 per month. Then so it comes, I'll say some features require in-app purchases and you have limited editing tools compared to other apps. So that's it. Those are the alternatives. Hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.